my name is Sean Allman, and I'm just continuing a short video series on low back pain to see if chiropractic care is a good fit for you. I just wanted to answer some real kind of generic questions about low back pain today, which is basically, I have low back pain, what would you do to help me kind of approach. And so the origins of low back pain can be a lot, but many of them are, I always say, biomechanical, meaning the joint is kind of irritated or out of place or something in that spirit. And so that's where chiropractic care works well, when you work with those joints, getting them loose, mobile, realigned, and that helps a lot of people. So that's one way chiropractic helps is, in fact, I should say too, there's some emerging science that basically says moving a joint is actually affecting the pain pathways to your brain. And so they actually are starting to believe that a joint moving anywhere in your body reduces the pain pathways to your brain. So it actually affects your brain, if all things that are a little hard to grasp. So anyway, those are things. Is chiropractic care safe? Well, it's absolutely safe. There are always, instances where things don't go like you expect. However, I've been in practice for over 30 years and never had a malpractice claim even once. My malpractice insurance rates are cheaper than both my health and car insurance. So it's like, and that's true universally. Chiropractors don't have high malpractice insurance costs because we don't ever use our insurance. It's because nobody really gets hurt very much in a chiropractic setting. What's a typical schedule if we have low back pain? I'm not going to get into numbers here, but think of it just simply like exercise. You don't go out and exercise once and be like, there, I'm in shape, that was fun. It'd be nice if that worked that way. But, you work out, and after saying working out 3 times a week for 2 months, you're like, you know what? I'm in a lot better shape than I was 2 months ago. And that's the way chiropractic care works with people. You do a series of adjustments, sometimes several in a week initially, and then phase it out. And eventually you're like, I feel pretty good now. And that's what chiropractic care does. That's how it helps. And that's what you're looking at if you have low back pain, is kind of a short series of treatments over a few weeks of time. And even when you're at that point, I strongly recommend you consider coming in periodically to not let things degrade. You're constantly using your body and it constantly wears down. So that's why it needs some sort of ongoing care, like changing the oil in your car. All right, so that's it for this video. If you have questions, give me a call, else I will see you in the next video.